Lecture is on digital system design. Today in this lecture we'll be discussing about the question papers. We were discussing about question papers, so we'll continue our discussion on question papers. So in the last class, that is the morning class, we discussed about combinational circuit and how to implement a combination circuit. It is a 4-bit binary number into component form using a combination circuit. That was the question. Did you get the answer? Anyone? Did you even try getting the answer?
Yes, sir.
Who? Did anyone try getting the answer? Satyam,
Yes, sir.
you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
How? How exactly you are able to realize this thing? Hmm?
4 inputs, sir. Totally 16 combinations.
Yes.
And if I considered for a 000 output, I took its ones complement, then added 1 to it, then I got output as 0000. In the same manner, I continued the other things also, sir. 16 combinations.
No, point is how are you able to realize that combination circuit is working?
By drawing K-maps, sir. And writing the...
No, I'm asking about this question: how to implement a choose complement using 4-bit binary number.
Yes, sir. I've considered total 16 combinations. Among the first one is 000. For that, I considered one's complement, sir. Then added 1 to get 2's complement. The 2's complement output was 000. Then I drawed the K map for. In the same manner, I continued totally 16 combinations.
Okay.
And finally, got the 4 functions, sir. And for all the 4 functions, I drawed the K map and I represented in the form of expressions, sir.
Very good, right? Very good. It is correct. It is perfectly correct, but it is time consuming, Sakshi ma'am. It is perfectly correct, but it is time consuming. You probably have drawn 4 K maps.
Yes, sir.
You have drawn 4 K maps because you are realizing a 4 variable, and 4 K maps are necessary.
Yes.
Okay. And someone else? Did anyone else try? Did anyone else try getting the answer?
I tried the same method, sir, as Sakshi said.
Amruta?
Yes, sir.
You tried the same way as Sakshi did. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What? Anyone else?
Yes, sir. Even I tried, sir, in the same way.
It is very good that students are trying, but it is a little bit time consuming. That is the only thing. And for that thing, how much time did you spend? Disha ma'am, ಎಷ್ಟು time ಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು solve ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ?
20 minutes, near about 20 minutes.
Amruta?
10 to 15 minutes, sir.
Sakshi?
15 minutes, sir.
See, 15 minutes for 6 marks. Is it valid? Is it good?
No,
sir.
But it is good. It is the right way. You have applied the principles of digital electronics in a better fashion. Very good. I appreciate it. So look here. I'm having a full adder here. I'm having a 4-bit full adder. So what are the inputs here? There are 2 sets of 4-bit inputs. A3, A2, A1, A0. I had drawn the last class on this, but some students didn't respond. The same students who were answering didn't respond. This is my scene, and This is fine. So fine. Now tell me. Say I'll take my input. That is the number whose complement I'm supposed to feed here. This is my input. Fine. I'm having an XOR gate. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say I'm taking 2 bits, B3 and B2. Fine. I'll take all the bits. Why not? All. Say this is 1 bit, which is Cin bit. Fine. I will try finding what is the output here. Fine. Probably these are connected to ground. Fine. Now, tell me one thing. Say any number which you want to convert it into 2's complement form. Give me any number which you want to convert into 2's complement form. Name a number
0,
which
0,
you want to
1.
convert 0 0
1 0.
0 0 1.
0 0 1 0. Fine. I have taken the number here. So B3 is 0, B2 is 0, B1 is 1, B0 is 0. Correct? Please respond to me fast so that I can continue. Otherwise, if you're not
Yes,
interested
sir.
in the, at least tell me, convey that I'll walk off. Please respond fast. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Cin anything one other. So Cin is 1. What is the meaning of Cin is 1? I'm feeding 1 here also, here also, here also, and here also. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have shorted one input of each XOR gate to Cin pin. Cin is another input. I am making Cin bit as 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
What will be the output? 1 XOR 0. B3 is 0. One more input is 1. Is 1 other, it's 0 other. So what is the XOR gate value? 1 XOR 0 n. What is 1 XOR 0?
1.
1.
1.
1 XOR 0? Is it really 1? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Think one more time and answer.
yes, sir.
Yes,
It's 1.
sir. It's 1.
Confirmed? Very good, very good. 1 XOR 0?
1.
1 XOR 1?
1. 0.
0.
0.
0. 0. 0 XOR 1?
1.
1. What did I do? What did I get here compared to here? Check.
1.
Complement.
One's
Complement.
complement.
I got a 1's complement here, correct?
Yes.
I got a 1's complement here just by using 4 XOR gates and making one input of the XOR gates go high. Correct? What if it had been 0?
Yes.
What if it had been 0? Is 0 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ input 0 ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು 0 XOR 0?
0.
0 XOR 1? Sorry, 0 XOR 0? 0. 1 XOR 0? 1.
1.
1.
0 XOR 0, 0. If input Cin is 0, if Cin is 0, my point is if Cin is 0, the value is processed as it is without any harm. Whatever the value is there available at the, before XOR, it will be available after XOR also. If Cin is 1, I will get the 1's complement output here. Understanding?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I got a 1's complement here. 1's complement plus what should I do?
1.
Plus 1.
Plus 1.
Correct?
1.
And for that purpose, what did I do here? A3, A2, A1, and A0. I have made it connected to ground. What is the value here? 0, 0, 0, 0. This will always remain 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here, addition is between what and what? A3,
One,
A2,
one, zero.
A1, A0, B3, B2, B1, B0. Is this the addition of, or something is left? ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ನಾನು. ಇದರಲ್ಲದೆ ಮತ್ತೇನೋ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು.
Yes, sir.
Plus 1, sir.
Plus C in 1
Plus
answer.
Plus C.
So what is A3, A2, A1, A0? 0, 0, 0, 0. Plus C. Actually, B3, B2, B1, B0 is nothing but the value fed over here. I can call it as B3 bar, B2 bar, B1 bar, B0 bar. So this is being fed alive. Actually, B3 bar, B2 bar, B1 bar, B0 bar is being fed here as an input to your full adder, 4-bit full adder. So instead of A3, A2, A0, it is B3 bar, B2 bar, B1 bar, and B0 bar available here. So what is the value?
1 1 0 1 1 1
It is 1 1 0 1 plus what is the condition of carry to get this in one's complement form?
1.
1. So carry idana same carry na add ಮಾಡತೀನಿ. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? Carry is same here also, carry is fed in same here also. To the block also and to the XOR gates also the carry fed is same. Correct? ಈ carry ನ ನಾನು ಈ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇನಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ XOR gate ಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇನಿ ನಾನು. ಹೌದ್ರಿ?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What now calculate what is the answer? 1 plus 1 0 carry 1 1
Carry 1.
1 1.
1
Understanding? So what was the number you have given me? 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. Correct? So 1's complement of it is 0 1 plus 1. Answer is 0 1 1 1. Is this answer matching?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is how you implement to what do you call a full adder. Sorry, a combination circuit. This is a full combination circuit necessary for implementing what you call for implementing 2's complement number to get a 2's complement number. Is it understandable? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Even that way, whatever you have solved is also correct. It is not wrong. It is also correct. But there, it needs more time. Here, it needs less time. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, the principle of addition and subtraction is happening. This is an adder and subtractor circuit. 4-bit adder and subtractor. If Cin is 0, what is B3 and B1 relation? Are they complement or are they identical? B3 and B3 bar relation, are they complement or they are identical?
Complement.
Cin is 0 idaga identical irtav. Cin 1 idaga complement irutte. ತಿಳಿತ್ರಿ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cin 1 idaga complement akati, Cin 0 idaga identical iruttada. ತಿಳಿತು? So if Cin is 0, the full adder will be acting as an adder, 4-bit adder. Is that point very clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If Cin is 1, then the same full adder will be acting as a subtractor, 4-bit subtractor. Why 4-bit subtractor? Because subtraction is nothing but 2's complement addition. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
2's complement ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು Cin and status ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು I will manipulate whether I am getting a 2's complement number or I am getting a result directly depending on the 2's complement rule. ತಿಳಿತು? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I have
Yes, sir.
explained
Yes,
it in everything. Everything has been explained in theory session, lab session, so people can get it from there. Thank you. Understood this? How to solve?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Even yours,
Yes, sir.
I repeat, whatever you people have solved is also correct.
Yes,
It is
sir.
not wrong. Yeah.
Yes.
So, this is done. Hopefully, there are no issues in this entire question paper. So, the 17 paper which I'm having now. Some things are there for your syllabus and some things aren't there for your syllabus, but still we can try identifying the way the questions have been asked. Fine. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
First question, TVUM is not there for you. So what is defined? You have to define what is the combination circuit, what is the canonical SOP, and what is canonical PS. What is canonical SOP? What is canonical SOP?
Complete set of momentum.
Complete set of
Minterms.
Minterms.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Complete set of minterms when output is logic 1.
Quite correct. Next. What is the combinational circuit? What is combinational circuit? Combinational circuit is entry.
Output at any time is purely determined by input at that time.
Who is it? Name?
Pragati, sir.
Oh, new name. Pragati ma'am. Here, output at any instant of time is depending on purely on the input at that time. Very good. Correct. Next. Obtain minimal expression using K-map for incompletely specified function. What is the incompletely specified function?
Don't care.
Yes. Don't care. So that's what is written here. So it is summation m and and this summation d and putara. So these are the, for this you are supposed to calculate what you call optimal minimal expression. Here to what you will be obtaining a minimal sum expression here, because expression is summation. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Yes,
write a
sir.
truth table and design circuit to generate output using K-map for problem statement given. Output of combinational circuit having 4 inputs and an output becomes logical 1 when 2 or more inputs goes to logical level 1. People understood the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here is some solve madena.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0 double 1 0. What is the output?
1.
1.
1,
Double
sir.
1 double 0.
1.
1, 1,
0 0 1 1.
1.
1,
1 1
1.
1. 0
1,
0 0.
0,
0.
Good.
0.
ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಒಂದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Yes,
ಆಮೇಲೆ
sir.
ಅದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತು?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Define K-map incrementally specified function and what is the incrementally specified function?
Don't care.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ? Define incompletely specified function.
Value is known for a
Whose value is known for
every combinational input.
Sagar ಹೇಳಿಗತ್ತೀರೇನ್ರಿ?
Yes, sir.
Whose value is known for
Every combinational.
ಇಲ್ಲ value known ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪಿ known ಇರ್ಲಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Is it known? Value is known or value is not known? In known care, value is known or not known. It is unknown, right? That's why I take either 0 or 1. Correct, Sagar?
Yes, sir.
Functions which are taking arbitrary value, the output whenever the system output is not defined, and system can take the value any value between 0 and 1, I declare that function to be incomplete specified functions. I usually call them as don't case. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
K-map
Yes.
then.
Pictorial
What is the
method.
K-map? Huh?
Pictorial
Graph
method to
representation
minimum
of
Boolean
Boolean
expressions.
Don't give one word answer. You will get only 1 marks for 4 marks question. Do try to explain also. Fine. Do try to put 2 variable K-map and how, and 4 variable K-map and 3 variable K-map. Why there are so many cells? How the cells, adjacent cells are related. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. You know one thing, how is the K-map adjacent cells related? You know one thing, the K-map, in K-map, the adjacents are related how? This is the K-map, right? 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 and 1. How any adjacent cell, this and this, how they are related?
Difference of 1 bit.
It is by gray code. Yes, it is correct. It is they are arranged in form of a gray code. So you can even call difference of 1 bit. Right? Because why do you think this is necessary? ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Why do you think adjacent cells should have a gray code difference or 1 bit difference? Respond. Why do you think adjacent cells should have 1 bit difference, not more than 1 bit difference? Why? People sitting quiet.
A simplification.
Who is answering?
Amrita, sir.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿಪ್ಪ.
For simplification, sir, of expressions while we write Boolean expression so that it gets simplified.
Yes, the main mode is simplification. That's why I go for K-map. Why adjacent? My question still remains the same. Why adjacent cells should have 1 bit difference? Why do you think by keeping another 1 bit difference, you think equation is simplified in your way, ma'am? Amrita? Why adjacent cells, if I keep 1 bit difference, they are simplified? Why do you think so?
It will be easy to get them paired.
It will be easy to get them
Paired.
Why not with other which are differing by more than 1 bit? They also can get paired, Allah. My point is correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Difference 1 bit adra pair ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನೈತಿ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಿಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಅದರ 1 bit ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? Again my question is same. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. What is the class strength today? 29. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. See, what is the answer?
A, sir.
What is the answer? What is the
A
answer?
XOR B.
A XOR B.
A XOR B.
I know it is A XOR B. What is the answer? It is still the same, Allah. Did it make any difference?
Yes.
How many bits are varying with?
One.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅದ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ A bar ಇತ್ತು A ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ B ಇತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ B bar ಅದ. They are varying by 2 bits. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಏನ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ B bar ಇದ್ದು B ಆಗದ. So there is 1 bit variation here. You understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'll take one more expression. I have to again take the same combinations. You understand? So it is A bar B plus AB bar. AB. A bar B plus AB. What is the answer? You take B, common. You take B common. B into A plus B into A plus A bar is 1. That's why answer is B. Correct? So whenever I am going for pairing here, I go for adjacent cells differing by only 1 bit, because 1 bit will nullify and it will give me simplified expression in this fashion. Understanding? Till A in it change statements, A is in its state, B retain its state. That's why there is simplification at the output. I am having only 1 variable instead of 2 variables. Here also I am having 2 variables. The output is only 1 variable. Here I am adding 2 variables. The output is also 2 variable only, equation only, because they are varying by 2 bits. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Getting? That's why
Yes,
I
sir.
placed
Yes,
adjacent cells together.
Yes.
Sorry, bits varying by 1 bit adjacently. So next one. What are the essential prime implicants?
A group of minterms where at least one minterm in the group is not a part of any other groups.
Who read it? Disha madam? Yaar bodre? Who read the answer?
No,
Yeah,
sir.
You read the answer, ma'am? Lavanya?
No, sir.
Okay, you remember the answer. Good, good, very good. Essential prime implicants are the prime implicants which are grouped under only one group and which contributes and which are must and essential for getting the minimal sum or minimal probability quotient. Understanding? Clear to know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, hopefully I have given definitions for all of them.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Gray code just now I explained. So next one, obtain minimal logical expression for given max term expression. Obtain minimal logical expression for given max term expression. This you can do. Using Quine-McCluskey method of minimization, obtain essential prime implicants and minimal sum expression. Define decoder, encoder, priority encoder, and multiplexer. Very good question. What is a decoder? Lavanya, what is a decoder? Lavanya, ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is a decoder?
It's a circuit which selects one output among 2n inputs.
Where's the inputs?
Else, which selects one output from 2n outputs.
Select one output among 2n outputs. Correct. Very good.
There are n number of inputs.
Very good.
Decode.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Correct. What is the priority encoder? Some other students can you quote what is the priority encoder? Why do I go for priority encoder?
When more than one inputs are high, there is an error in output.
Yes, appreciated. That's why I go for priority encoder. Very good. Amere innondu ಏನು advantage ಇದೆ priority encoder naga? Output is 0 when all the inputs are 0, and output is also 0 when x0 is 0, x0 is 1. There will be a dilemma. That's why there is one more bit, that is valid bit. A priority input is also an encoder which encodes 2 raised to n input lines into n output lines, but there is one more additional bit, that is valid bit. ತಿಳಿತು?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are the marks? Please, all of you count on your preparation status. Everyone available here, please count on your preparation status. Oh, slowly strength is increasing. Strength is 32 now. Fine. So, what are the marks?
It allows several it allows information from several sources to be rooted in single output.
That is half statement, right? Amrutam, it is still completed. Marks the device which selects
Information for several sources.
yes, it is doing the same thing, but how? Yes, ma'am, correct. Continue. Hedre. See, whenever people realize or define anything, that whenever you hear encoder, the encoder block diagram should come into picture. Will you have a 3-state encoder? Will you have a 3-state encoder?
No, sir.
Will you
No,
have a
sir.
3-state encoder? 3-state
No,
ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ encoder ಅಂತ ಅಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ. Encoder is encoding means data hiding, correct? Encryption is data hiding, correct? Encoding means storing something in somewhat different way, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir.
the moment you hear these words, the block diagram should come to your picture. Understand? So, mux. When I speak about mux is having how many inputs? It is having 2 raised to n inputs. And how many outputs is having? It is having only one output. How many select lines it is having? N select lines. Mux is a digital circuit which selects one input among 2 raised to n inputs depending on the select line. You can even define it very correct way by saying a mux is a digital circuit which selects one input among 2 raised to n inputs depending on n bit select line. Getting?
Yes.
Next question, what is the block diagram? Right, block diagram is representation of a full ladder using 3:8 decoder. Full ladder using 3:8 decoder. Pradeep Kundre, are you there? Pradeep, are you there? If people are attending for attendance sake, don't attend. Fine. No. Next thing. Next question. Write a block diagram representation of full ladder using 3:8 decoder. How will you solve this? Silence is considered as no answer. So next question. Hey, listen, I'm not going to ask this question once again. Fine. I don't have a habit of asking 2 to 3 times the same question. Fine. People are having any queries, you can ask. If you don't have any query, I'm going for the next question. That's it. And I don't have any interest in personally solving, treating that you have the doubt and you have to solve this. Fine. Anyways. So design a full adder using 8:1 mux and 4:1 mux. Design a full adder using 8:1 mux and 4:1 mux. Any issue with this? Hello?
Yes.
Don't want to respond. Fine. People
Yes.
can. Yes, sir. Explain a Kerala adder with neat diagram and relevant expressions. Design a 2-bit comparator again. It is asked. So define a bistable element, latch, flip-flop, and functional table. Sketch timing diagram of JK and D.
Sir, what are elements?
Explain MS JK flip-flop with the help of a neat circuit diagram and waveform. Explain final characterization of T SR flop, which will help with the help of function tables. The neat circuit diagram of edge triggered D flop provide explanation of different input conditions. Explain the operation of switch debouncing circuit using SR latch. Define register asynchronous ripple counter using ring counter. Asynchronous ripple counter and synchronous counter and ring counter. Define register, comma, asynchronous counter. Okay, you are asking to define. So next we have the design mod 8 counter using right shift register. Mod 8, this is not there for your syllabus. 7B is not there. Write timing diagram, counting sequence, and logic diagram for 4-bit triple counter. And briefly explain. Next, PPO and CPO diagrams with single diagram and mod design. Mod 6 synchronous counter for sequence so and so. Write a state diagram of mod 5 self-correcting counter and briefly explain the sequence is this. What are melee? Right? What are melee and mode model for sequential circuit? So we have to define melee and mode model here. Briefly explain the diagrams. This is done in the regular class. Right? Characteristic equation or excitation table for JK flop and explain. Analyze the following circuit for 9 marks. R1 and R2 the inputs and X is the external input. It can be done on outside. Write state diagram for a 4-state machine using melee and mode model and briefly explain. Write state diagram for 4-state melee and mode machine and briefly explain. Again, same thing, explanation of melee and mode. What is a state table and give an example. 2 marks. Last question for 10 marks, which you are supposed to design a counter. Fine. So this completes another question paper. Reading the question was very good. But getting the answers is tricky and you'll waste time if you don't solve it properly, as you did for addition of one includes component number. So that was the main motto behind me spending some time explaining how to solve these questions, because ultimately you are going to write an examination. Examination format is fixed and most of the questions appear repeatedly. And I was thinking of solving some more question papers. Anyway, students are more comfortable now, and they can definitely manage the question papers on their own. So